Okay, good evening, everyone. I welcome all of you on the behalf of Learnomate Technologies in the webinar on the topic data science. So let me introduce myself. I am Ankur Varshne, IBM certified data scientist trainer, and I have more than 12 years experience in data science, and I will be your trainer. And today the session will be conducted by me only, right? So before moving to the session and before moving to the main part of data science, what we have to see in the webinar, let me tell you something about Learnomate. Right? Am I audible to all of you? Can anyone confirm, please? Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
as you all know that uh, we are you are taking this webinar on the behalf of Learnomate Technologies with the help of Learnomate Technologies. So let me tell you about something about Learnomate Technologies. So it is initiated by Ankur sir, and we have three branches, right? Two in Pune and one in Hyderabad. In Pune, we have two places where we have these branches, like in Wakad and Kalewadi, and in Hyderabad we have Himayat Nagar, right? So we provide software trainings, right, to make you professional, right? So our mission is simply to shape your future in the realm of IT by providing best quality, reasonably priced, and trending software courses, right? Vision to transform dreams into realities, right? That is our vision. And we have some values, right, to make your excellence, innovation, integrity, empowerment, customer centric, and accountability. Right. So through this, we have trained so many students, right? And our achievements are in front of you. See, you can see some of the students, like Nishan Singh. He plays in Cognizant with the package of 5.6 LPA. We have Aditi Khanna in plays in Forces 5.9 LPA, and Aisha Singh with IBM in 6.4, right? And Shivam in Cognizant, and many more students, right? We cannot show you all the students, right? But we have shown you our brightest students. Right. So from last 10 years, we have had more than 20,000 students to grab a successful future in top MNC companies. Right. So this is all about our that trainings what we are giving. And now let me introduce our uh, hero, or you can say CEO, our Ankur sir. That he is a CEO of our Learnomate Technologies. Right. So no introduction is needed for him. He is master and expert in Oracle DB, and he's a beloved trainer among all the trainers, right? And he has more than 10 years experience. And he has worked in major companies like Cognizant, Infosys, L&T, and Wipro, right? He started Learnomate with a vision, right, to guide those aspirants who are willing to enter into a IT sector, right? So now with a vision to include, actually, he has taken one more initiative, as you all know, that Udan for the small kids, right? So they can start their making their future from the beginning only, right? So you can see we have more than 23,000 subscribers on YouTube. We have more than 1,200 videos on YouTube, and we have very good Google rating, that is 4.8 approx, and we have good Insta followers like more than 3,000, right? So we have different sectors that we trained our students in: Oracle DBA, Oracle Fusion, Oracle Cloud, data engineering, data science, uh, Reg DBA, DevOps, AWS, Salesforce, and Java, Python, and SAP. Right. So these are the fields, right, where we train students in different aspects that you needed. Right. So some other our silent features are there, right? We provide the offline trainings, right? Options are available on both the options you have, online and offline. We provide the certificate also after the completion of course. You have real-time projects for practice, live server access, dedicated support team from 8 to 8, right? And help in resume making also, right? And job assistant also, right? So from every aspect you will fulfill from our Learnomate technologies, right? There is nothing that you are lagging with, right? You will get, if you enroll here, you will get everything. Understood? Okay. So after that, let's move. You can, if you need more information about Learnomate or something about the admission or something like that, you can contact our team also, right? Okay. So this is what about Learnomate, let's start about data science because I know you all are waiting about data science. What is data science? Because everyone is now hearing data science in the market. Yes. So let me share my screen. Sorry. So before moving to data science, I know most of the students, right? Every time, whenever I'm entering my badge in the first day, and every student, whether it is a time of their admission, right? They have a particular question, right? So they ask most of the time, sir, does I suit for data science or I'm eligible for the data science? What is the eligibility criteria of data science? And I know among you all participants there, most of the students have these kind of doubt, right? So am I eligible for the data science or not, right? So let me clear you first. So, so what is the scenario of our that our culture in our India, right? The thing is that if you are doing computer science, right? If you are doing any bachelor course in computer science or doing mechanical, doing in medical field, so you are restricted in that field only, right? Is it so? That is why you have most of the students have confusion, right? Suppose you have done the mechanical engineering, so he has a thinking that okay, I cannot move in electrical or I cannot move in data IT field, right? So this is why all the students have confusion. But let me clear you. So data science is not completely IT field, and that is why he allows every person, right, who has 12th done by PCM background, and he is eligible for data science field, right? Let me make you more clear, right? So let me tell you what are the most, what are the what are the knowledge that you need, right, for data science if you are moving to the data science, right? So majorly three components make data science, right? So one is about that you must have the knowledge about math, simple math that related to, I can say 12th math, right? Till 12th, what you have learned, some calculus, right? So that you have to know that math and the simple knowledge of stats also, some knowledge of graduation knowledge of stats also, some higher knowledge that you can grab, right? So that is not necessary that a computer science field person has, right? So this is new for computer science person also, right? And another is what? Business problems, right? This is new to all of you, right? And it is not like this that is very uh, difficult, right? This is on IQ based. Just a second. This is IQ based, right? Suppose any company is having profit, any company is going down. So what are the techniques that what we have to do in that case? How we have to run the company? So business problems, right? If you are lagging somewhere, so these are the problems comes you can understand easily, right? Whenever you are entering in a company or somewhere else, right? So third thing is coming like your computer science, right? So when you have all these knowledge, this is the intersection part of these all three things, right? This is known as data science. Then you can, then you are eligible for data science, right? So no other, no one, any particular field person can say that, okay, I'm eligible for computer science, data science. So see, you can see, computer science person also know the knowledge of business problems and maths and stats, right? And if you are from electrical background, so you must have the knowledge of maths and stats. You can learn something about computer because some basic, some particular knowledge is needed in data science for the from the computer science. Not everything from computer science you needed. Understood? So it is very easy for every person if you are learning or if you are willing, if you are open to learn anything, right? So it is very easy because you need a small part. Like I'm giving you example, like you need to know about Python or R, right? If you are doing for the data science, so that much only you have to know, right? So it is very easy, right? You can, anyone can go in data science and you are eligible, but the main need is you must have the knowledge, right? You cannot say that yes, I have completed the course, I have the certification, and I'm eligible for every company. No, you have to crack the interviews, you have to crack the entrance exam, and that exam they are conducted by the different companies, because most of the time they also conducted some written exam also, some objective questions they provided. So it is up to you. If you have done course in a good way and you have good knowledge of everything that you have learned, then you can crack the interview. Got it? Understood, everyone? Okay. So moving on now, I will tell you what is data science. So everyone have their every time in surrounding you got the knowledge or data science, data analytics, AI. These kinds of names you have, right? Generative AI, AI. So everything everywhere is now data science, right? So it is correct, and it is right time to enroll yourself in data science or AI in this field, because if you don't have knowledge, right, in the future upcoming 5 to 10 years, I really tell you, you will not access anywhere, right? You have a problem. You will not get the job, right? If you don't have these kinds of knowledge or basic knowledge of this data science or all. If you don't have any experience in this, right? So let me go from the basic, right, to understand what is data science, right? So let me tell you about data, right? Can anyone tell what is data? What is data?
Collection of information.
Yes, collection of information, facts, figures, right? That is stored somewhere, right? It must be stored somewhere, right? So this is your data, right? So data can be of two types, right? It can be of two types. Can anyone tell which types? It can be,
Structured data,
yes,
unstructured data.
yes, very correct. Structured data and can be unstructured data, right? In structured data, which type of data comes? What type of data we called structured data? When any data comes in a row and column form, right? When any data is come in row and column form, then you will call as a structured data. You can say row and column form. Suppose you have data of a company of a sales, that we have per year data of different products, right? So you have that data in rows and columns, then it will be said as a structured data. And what is the unstructured data? Images, right? Audio and videos. These are unstructured data, right? So these are unstructured data. Now you understood about the data. Now let's come on science. What is science? So data science becomes data science when you all know about data and science exclusively. Then I will tell you what is data science, right? Now tell me what is science. Can you tell? It is systematic and organized body of knowledge through gained through observation, experimentation, and reasoning, right? So three pillars are there to establish science, right? What are they? They are observation, they are experimentation, and that reasoning, right? So observation, everyone knows you have to observe the values. I have to think about that what we have, right? And then you have to do the experimentation on the basis of that, right? And then on the basis of that reasoning, you give some prediction or some future aspect values, right? What will happen in the future, or what will you do, right? So this is all about science. So when you merge data in science, right? When you have both things, right? Suppose you given that data also. So how data science works? So what the meaning comes? You have given given that data, right? So observation when comes with the data, right? the data observation, right? So then what comes? Two things comes, right? One is collection data, how you will get the data, right? Observation is what? How you are getting the data, observing the data, you are grabbing the data, right? So collection data, data collection,
Data preparation.
collection, right? Now you have observation data, you have collecting the data. So in that data, there is must be some garbage data also. So you have to, what to do? When you're observing the data, you have to clean that data, right? So data cleaning is also there, right? Now come to experimentation. So data experimentation when comes in the picture, that is called as data analysis, right? To analyze the data. Experimentation is what? When you do the experimentation, what you get? You get the insights, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So when you do the data analysis also, you get the insights of the data, right? What it's telling you, right? Now third is what? Reasoning, right? So reasoning what? You get the future values, right? So you get future values prediction, right? When you incorporate with data, future value prediction, when you come with the data, right?
Yes.
Prediction. Okay. Now, so how will we predict the future values, right? We have different models to train the values, right? So there are two models that we have, uh, machine learning models and deep learning models, right? These are used to train the models and predict the values, right? But in data analysis, what we have three aspects.
Predictive.
We have three aspects, that is descriptive analysis,
Mm.
then we have predictive analysis, and then last is prescriptive analysis. Right. So to understand it better, right, let me give an example. Right. If I direct tell you, you will not understand it. I'm giving you an example. Suppose you are in bad health, right? You are sick, you are not well. So what you do? You go to the doctor. Yes. So when you are going to the doctor, what is the first thing that doctor do with you? It do the diagnosis, right? What it do?
Yes.
It do the diagnosis. Yes. And what is the second step? What he do in the second? He do the
Treatment.
prognosis,
Okay.
right? What do you mean by prognosis? Diagnosis means he will check your health, right? And you will tell something, and he will see something is going wrong, and he will tell you, okay, he will understand, okay, you were suffering from this kind of thing. Okay. Now prognosis, what do you think? He will tell you about your problem, right? He will threaten you that suppose you have some heart problem, and he will tell you, okay, you will, if you will not do something, then you will have heart attack or something. He will threaten you, right? This kind of things doctor usually do, right? And the third thing is what? He give you some prescription, right? Prescription. Yes. So diagnosis is what? What you understand? What is happened? It generally is what? What is happened? My writing is very bad. Please Sorry for that. And what has happened is diagnosis, and what we say into prognosis. What will happen, right? He will threaten you, ना? ये नहीं तो ये हो जाएगा, मर जाओगे, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, right? Like this. What will happen if you not take the prescription seriously, right? So I'm taking it as a short. Now, what is prescription? How you can make it better? How you can make it better, right? Understood. So these are the things that doctor generally use to understand your problem, to tell you what will happen in future if you not do the medication rightly, and then prescription, right? So these are the same things that we are have to understand in data analysis also. So these are the same thing. Descriptive analysis, what is happened, right? Understanding the data and seeing that what is happened, right, in the back. So what is data? What is data? Is all about our previous year's information. Yes or no? This data is what we the data which we have is all the information of the previous years, right? So we on the analysis of that data we can analyze that, okay, what is happened in the previous years, right? Now on that basis what we make the some prediction, some analysis that, okay, that is why we are, suppose you have analyzed the profit of the company, and you analyze the, okay, the graph is going down, then you can analyze, okay, in the future your company will be ruined, right? Because your profit is going down and down every year by year. So you have the analysis of what will happen, right? Okay. Now third is what? How to deal with it, right? Prescriptive means you will tell your client, right, that, okay, if you want to uh, uh, improve those all things, you have to improve your profit, then how to deal with it, I will tell you, right? So this is the main work of data analyst. Got it? So you have the clear picture of data science. Let me tell you again. Okay, so what come first? First thing is that to grab the data, to collect the data, right? This is the work of data engineer. He makes different pipelines, right? To and some collection database where he collect the all the data, and after the data coming, we'll do the data cleaning, right? After cleaning the data, we do the data analysis, right? In a different way, we see what is happened, and in by making different insight, seeing this insights, we make the analysis, and we by using different visualization or making graphs or charts, we will show him that in future what you can have, right, and how you can deal with it. Understood? So these are the things that use in data analysis. After that, you can see the future value prediction, right? So this is what, this is, suppose you have given your client that, okay, in future, suppose today you are having very less profit, from last 3 years you are going down, and in future your profit will be more lesser than this, right? You have suppose this percent, so you will give the exact figure, right? How you can give the exact figure? Not exact figure, near about the figure, right? For that you use machine learning and deep learning algorithms to predict the values, right? Suppose you are giving that today we have the profit of 60%, right? And last year we have 65%, and before that we have 67, and before they had 67 point something, right? And now you have to predict after 3 years what we have, right? So generally you cannot predict the right value, right, with the data analysis, but you can show him the graph, right? It will definitely go down. Yes. So by using machine learning and deep learning algorithms, you can predict the values also, right? Suppose you can give him figure, okay, after calculating with the machine learning algorithms, the prediction is that in after 3 years you will have the profit across 57 point something or 58 point something, right? So these machine learning algorithms and deep learning algorithms mainly used for the future prediction. Understood? So how they do it, we will learn in the our training sessions also. In different session, we will learn how we'll do it, right? But let me tell you about something that this is the part of AI also, right? How you are making this is the part of AI that is in data, how we are making our data science as a AI, artificial intelligence. So that is we have to see. So let me tell you about something about AI also. This is you all understood. Hierarchy of data, how data is moving, how data is coming and in a picture, and how we are using to make use of data in everywhere, in every field. You can see in every field. So you can see information is everywhere, starting from the school and colleges, from your home, your offices, or your everywhere. Restaurant, you're going to restaurant, there is also data, right? What you are eating from last 10 years, what the consumers are eating, right? So everywhere is data, so you can make use of it, but it is in a garbage form, right? You have so many garbage there, you have to make it clean. So that is the main task, right? When you come in the data science training, and I will teach you how to clean the data, and I will tell you how to train the different algorithms, how you can train with that, and how you make the data analysis. The all the things are very less, but data cleaning is the biggest thing, right? So you can say 70% work is data cleaning, and after that only 30 or 20% work is left for data analysis and making models with machine learning models and training them with different models. Okay, so now let me tell you about something about AI. Can anyone tell what is AI? Huh? No one? AI is what?
Artificial intelligence.
Yeah, that
Artificial
that
intelligence.
that that everyone knows, right? But in a simple language.
Making machines.
Hmm. Now everyone can guess. Right? Making machines capable of performing human-like tasks, right? Suppose I'm a human, right? And I'm giving you a option that, okay, I'm showing you some pictures, right? So you can tell us, right? Though I'm showing you some animals pictures, and you can guess, okay, this is a dog, this is a tiger, this is a buffalo, this is a person like this. Okay, anyone, you can guess it, right? By seeing the picture. If I can do, if I can make a machine, right? He can guess same things. That so what you can do, what you can say about that machine, that okay, it is a artificial intelligence, right? It has artificial intelligence, and he can perform the task like human. Yes or no? Okay. So so this is how we make the this is why this is where we use machine learning and deep learning models to make any machine human like, to make the perform like human like task, right? To make capable of making decisions, right? So how they will do it, I can tell you in the main training, that right? But just now I can give you an example. Suppose you have to identify a dog, right? Suppose I have to make a machine that he can identify any dog, right? So what I will do, I will train, I will have thousands of pictures. I will take thousands of pictures from Google, right, of dog, right? And I will train our machine through all the pictures, right? The specification, simple specification, where is his nose, where is ears, and I have also applied the orientation also. So it will see in all the orientation when you move the reverse, take the reverse picture of dog, and when he is seeing on the other side, to the left, to the right, to the upper side, and he's seeing from the back. So everything he's doing in a movement also. So you have everything to train to the machine, right? You have trained everything that dogs look like this, right? When he is in different positions or different background and everything, right? So we can make machines, we have trained, right? Now when you will give him a new picture, right? So he will have some that memory that you had trained, that where his nose and where is different that body structure is, how its body structure. So he will capable of identifying that uh, animal or that dog. Understood? So this is how we make machines capable of performing human-like tasks. So I'm just talking about the dog. You can train with every animal, right? And now he will train for doing same thing that we can do. And you cannot say that the accuracy is very less. Accuracy is all about 90 or 95% we have achieved, or more than 95 also. And if I say you have the 100% ability, that accuracy to identify the any dog or something, so that is wrong, right? You can assume a situation that if a any picture is there and it is very in blur condition, right? And if I say you to identify any animal, so it can be a situation that you have identify a wrong animal. Yes or no? Okay, right. So this is what how we train our models, right? To uh, make it AI, right? So AI is what? Let me tell you more clearly. AI is what? How we make AI? We should have data, and what we should have? Machine learning algorithms or deep learning algorithms. Yes or no? So if we have data and we will train with machine learning and deep learning algorithms, then we can say we have created an AI, right? This is an AI, right? So most of the students are very confused that AI is under data science, or data science is a subset of AI, or AI is the subset of data science, and where data analysis lies, and where machine learning, deep learning. So to clear it that concept, let me show you with the Venn diagram, right? So assume that this is AI. Just a second, sorry. Assume this is AI, right? This is data science. So AI is very big field, right? It is used everywhere, not in data science. So I'm just taking some part of AI in data science. Yes. Okay. So in the data science, we have data analysis also, where we don't use this AI, right? And then when we use AI, we have machine learning algorithms. And you can say that deep learning is the subset of machine learning algorithms, or you can say it is separate. Both thing you can measure, because machine learning algorithms use for structured data and deep learning algorithms use for unstructured data, mainly for images, audios, and videos. So that is why it is said as a subset, right? So this is the clear picture of that we use AI, data science, and data analysis, how they are part of each other. Okay, so ML stands for machine learning and DL stands for deep learning. Now let me give you the roadmap, right? How we are going to have a session in data science and what we learn, right? So roadmap to data science. So first thing what we should have data storage, right? Data storage. Then we should have access and management, right? Then we should have data cleaning, or you can say pre-processing, right? Same thing. Pre-process the data. Then we have data analysis. Just a second, my pad is not working. Then we will learn how to do extracting patterns. And train through models, that is ML or DL, deep learning models. Okay, so this is the main roadmap, right? So in data storage and access management, you will learn SQL, right? SQL you have, right? And then we come to data analysis, that in data cleaning. So we have Excel, yes. We have Python, and we have Power BI. And for this Python, after Python, we must have some stats knowledge also. Math and stats include all these things, right? So here we have AIML, that is ML and DL that we have already mentioned, ML and DL. So in both we have the we learn the behind the math and stats of algorithm, every algorithm. So math and stats includes everywhere, right? Math and stats. Okay, so this is all about data science, that and the roadmap, that how we are going to learn, that do the trainings, right? And what we learn. So any doubts regarding anything that you have to ask, you can ask. This is all from my side. Any questions?
Yeah, can you provide any kind of demo how the ML algorithm works? Because
Sorry?
can you provide any kind of ML algorithm demo? Since you explained the theoretical, so
Yeah,
what?
but so it's not kind of thing that we can understand in a 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It take time to install the software also, or you should have that environment also, and before that you have to learn most of the basics, right? So it will go up, and it's not possible in a very less time that we can do, but we will definitely learn in the training, and we should have definitely we will have more demo sessions in the upcoming time. So we cannot go directly. So that is why I told you this is the hierarchy, right? So you have to first go to data analysis, then only you can go for machine learning and deep learning. Because if I told you anything direct, the codes are very high, and I don't think you are aware about it. You must be aware about it, I think, but others are not. So it's not. But in the coming sessions, in demo sessions, we will definitely discuss if it's possible. If everyone allows, then we will definitely do.
One more query, like you said 12 years of experience in data science.
Yeah.
I know which
Not
domain.
in data science, not in just data science. I am from electrical background. Let me tell you, I'm an assistant professor, and I have doing parallelly electrical field also. I'm training in this also, right? So I'm assistant professor in my electrical background, right? And from last 4-5 years, I'm in data science also.
What kind of domain you are into? Like let's say e-commerce sector, or let's say like banking sector, like that. Which domain, which industry you have been in as a data scientist?
No, I'm just a trainer. I'm data scientist trainer. I'm full time. I'm in full time teaching. I'm not anywhere in a IT job.
Okay.
Yes.
Then what kind of application? That is what I'm asking. What kind of application you have developed, and what is the topic, and what kind of application you are into? Let's say, uh, let's what industry. Let's say I want to develop a consumable product. So let's say I want to do some algorithm for e-commerce. So anything like you have experienced in industry aspects?
So see, so we have regression algorithms and classification algorithms, right, in machine learning. So as you go from the starting, right, we have linear regression, we have multilinear regression, we have k nearest, and we have lots of, right. So when you go the higher version, right, you get the good accuracy also. But as you go to higher level, they takes more space also because they are the higher machine learning algorithms, right? So we are you cannot say that you are 100% sure that that in this case you have to use this algorithm, in this case you have to use this algorithm. It depends, right? You have to achieve a good accuracy, and algorithm is all about using only 3 lines of code, right? The maths behind the algorithm you must know that what is algorithm is doing. So sometimes you have a particular problem. Suppose your structure, you have unstructured data and you have structured data, that is difference, then it is very simple that okay, you have to go to deep learning algorithms or machine learning algorithms. But if you have a simple problem and you are not aware that suppose you have fraudulent cases, right? You have fraudulent cases, you have data of fraudulent cases that each person who are fraud by the any bank, or you have that data and you have to predict, right? Any person is coming with different specification, so he is fraud or not. So it depends which algorithm is giving you good accuracy. So it is a hidden trial. You cannot say that yes, you are pretty sure, pretty sure.
हम
Okay,
नहीं करेंगे, बनाओ चुपचाप.
sorry. Oh, you got it, or your answer?
No, it's, see, you said like banking, whether going to predict a credit card is transaction is fraud or not. So in that, what type of algorithm we are using? And
Machine learning algorithms, dear. There's so many algorithms. There's no you cannot say there's 2 3 algorithms and you have to show that okay, I will use linear regression here, I will use k-nearest bias here, we will use the naive bias here. So these are very there are so many. Random forest is there. So there are so many algorithms. So you cannot say that you have to use this algorithm in this case. I'm telling you, the algorithm is all about using 3 lines of code, right? But the math behind the algorithm is different for
मनोज
every.
वाली क्लास पूरा ध्यान से कर रहा है.
Yes.
I think someone has to go on mute. I have a quick question, Ankur. So this course is mostly data
Hello?
science and analysis?
Sorry, come again.
हाँ,
Data analysis and science?
I'm not. You are
ग्रुप
not
में ऐड
audible.
है, साले तुमको लिंक नहीं मिला.
Can you ask
Sir,
again? Yes.
what's the
So
what's the salary expect?
Salary. Okay. So salary. If you say 5 or 10 years back, so it's starting like 8 to 9 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs. Everyone is getting approx like this, right? But now you have seen everyone is going to data science and they have many options, right? When you are going to interview, and 5 years back, if there is a 5 vacancy and the options are only 10 or 12, right? So that is the condition, then you are getting good amount, right? But now the condition is this: if you have 5 jobs, right, and you are going for the interview, then there must be 20 students, right? So that is why their competition is more, and it depends, right? So our knowledge also. So I think minimum of 5 to 6 lakh you can get.
Ankur, so this is a data science course, right? So
Yes.
what are the topics do you cover in the data science? Do you cover like all the Python,
things.
code,
Yes.
also machine learning?
See, SQL, right? We will
Right.
use MySQL for SQL. We will use Excel complete. We will use
Okay.
Python for data analysis, Python, Power BI, and that machine learning and deep learning algorithm.
Okay. So do you cover like a project and all that stuff?
Yes, definitely. Without project, how can you learn? How we can learn the real-time projects, right? So you should have that real-time projects also. So definitely we will go.
Okay. And how many hours is this training? How many months?
5 months, minimum 5 months, 5 to 6 months, like nearly, because machine learning, deep learning takes time. So that is why. Yeah. It's up to you also. Definitely, I'm saying because I'm taking lots of session and it depends on the students how you're understanding. If you're getting not you're taking time to understand, so that is why we are taking more time if we are crossing the deadline. So it depends on the students also, right?
This will be mainly weekdays training, right?
Yeah, weekdays, Monday to Friday, and the timing is at morning, I think 7:30 to 9.
Okay, actually, I'm calling from US. I'm in the Eastern time zone.
Yeah.
And I'm a Oracle senior Oracle DB and all that stuff. So I'm familiar with the first 2 parts, I think.
Okay.
Data storage and
Data
access.
access and management. Right. Okay. No issues. Your will be the no office timing at that time. I think that is in evening.
Yeah, it'll be my office start time, but that's okay. I think I can manage. So will the
Okay.
session be for 1 or 2 hours actually?
It will be of 1.5 hour, but it's when any topic is some crucial or it's taking time to complete, so it can be maximum 2 hours, right? But mostly it's 1.5 hour session.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So you said it is the morning batch, 7:30 to 9?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
timing is not that Harish will that you can give your concern if there's some doubt in the timing, right? We will change accordingly if most of the students have, because in evening I have already one batch. I have different time, so whatever suits you, you can tell to the team. If it will work, we will definitely change the time, right? But right now we will have that slot, that 7:30 to 9 IST.
Sir, can I know how much you are charging for this course?
Sorry, how many?
How much you are charging for this course?
Sorry, this will you can ask with the team.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm the trainer.
But approximately,
see, you are saying
already you presented the previous classes, so
Huh?
I think you know.
Sorry,
you are saying that maths
Already you
is very much important. How much math knowledge we need?
math knowledge up to 12th.
Oh. So 12th means basic differential integration.
Integration, yes, very less. Means you have basic knowledge of 10th also, right? You have all the basic concepts, then also you can do. It's not like that you have to go all the calculus, all the integrations, not like that. I will give you the whole picture, right? How algorithms working. Algorithms, when you doing the codes in Python, it is all about 3 to 5 codes, right? But the picture is behind the algorithms, right? How it's working, how it's taking the values, how it's calculating, how it's making, how AI is coming, uh, how it's doing automatically, right? How it's taking values, how predicting the values, right? So that will
So will
to
you
understand. Yes.
so will you teach Python from the basics? Because I
Yes,
have no.
bilkul. Most basic, that how to add 2 plus 2, 2 plus
Okay.
3 from the
Right.
basic. Yes.
Sir, I want data analyst course.
Sorry, not audible. Please.
So, see, as you said, like there are so many algorithms.
Yes.
When we go for industry, like industry basically give the specific task and they ask to develop
To do.
the model.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. See, at such a time, how do we identify like this problem? We have to go with this
Yes.
algorithm.
So suppose you have a problem and you have to see you have to find you have to predict something and you have to run the model, train the model, and you have to find the prediction and you have to see what is the accuracy of your model, right? So I think if you have 10 algorithms, right? So we have 10 algorithms and you have to see one by one. So which is giving you good accuracy. So the time taken by you to check every accuracy, every model to what is the accuracy, it will take, I think, 15 minutes. Okay. So it's not, it will only 15 minutes. You can check the 10 algorithms, that what is the accuracy of different algorithms in that data.
Then how much
And
time
sir,
does
what's
the
the course
project will take?
duration, please? Can you tell
Sorry.
me?
How much time does the the project will get it to complete? How much time does it take to complete? How many months it will take to complete?
In industry?
Yeah.
In industry, sorry, I cannot commit, because see, different projects, different size of projects are there, right? So you can get the timeline. Okay, you have the project and this is an urgent and you have to give the result in the evening, right? And sometimes it's like after 1 week you have to give the
That's
result.
what, see, people are expecting so much from the learners. And like when we don't do like such kind of learning, when we are learning, when we don't do such kind of application, it's very difficult to get into corporate. That
Right.
is what I want to understand. Okay, thank you.
Right. So, but there is a timeline and it is a teamwork, right? You are never supposed to do everything. Suppose you are in AI/ML department, right? And you are in data science department or you are in data analytics department. Suppose data analytics department, what it do? Data engineer give the data, right? From different pipelines, he manage the data in a particular place. And what data analysis do? He do the cleaning, he do the analysis, insights, and then he do the make the reports and dashboards and all, right? So these are the different departments again, right? Data cleaning department is here, and we I think 6 to 7 six employees are involved in data cleaning. So you are given a particular task in industry. You are not supposed to do everything. If you are going for any startup and all, then it is be a possibility that you are doing everything. But when you are going in a good company or medium company, then also you are part of any project, right? Not you have to doing start to end. But I will tell you, when we complete this data science course, you will have a project from complete to end, right? Complete to end,
So
everything.
what's the course duration?
Right? It is minimum 5 months, right? Approx 5 months, you can say, and it depends on you. If you are good learner, right? You are doing your coming daily in sessions, right? You are not missing it, and you are concentrating, right? So we will complete in 5 months, right? But sometimes it take time, right? 5 to 5.1, 6 months in
Sir,
between.
can we get the any placement assessment?
Sorry.
Any placement assessment can we get?
Yes, job assessment is there, and you have seen. I've just shown you in the. I don't know you are there or not. In the starting of the session, we have shown you the 4 of our students that placed in very good company in Infosys and at IBM, right? So they have placed in 5.6 and 6 point something package. So we do job assistant. We cannot give the guarantee, right? But we give the assistant
Yes, sir,
every
but I
time.
want to know how much percentage of the students are getting into the placement.
How much package?
Not package, the percentage of the students from the batch. How many people are connecting to the companies?
Okay, that will be give the exact figure by the training placement
Out of
person only.
100%.
I cannot give the exact number, but most of the going to for the placement, and they are regularly going for the interviews on also. But this correct figure can be given by the placement team, right? You can contact with them. They can give you the right figure.
Sir, what is the duration for data analyst course?
Data analysis for 3 months. Yes.
Why only 3 lines of code we can develop ML algorithm, sir?
Yes. To run the code, to see the accuracy, is 3 lines of code to run the algorithm, and then to check the accuracy, it's 2 lines of code. So approx 5 lines of code, you can get that.
Sir, in this data analyst course is covered.
Your voice is breaking. Yeah, not audible.
Sir, in this data analyst course will be covered or not?
Yes, in data science, I just told you, data science, data analysis is a part of data science, right? So first you have to do data analysis 3 months. Then what is difference between data science and data analysis? Just DL and ML. Yeah, deep learning and machine learning algorithm. After 3 months, you will learn for 2 months deep learning and machine learning algorithms only. The difference is this. First, you will do the data analysis only, starting 3 months. Excel, Python.
Sir, I want to join for only data analyst course.
Yes, you can contact. You tell to the team. You can. Elango, you can ask what you want to ask.
Yeah, what are the roles and responsibility for data scientist and data analyst? Also data engineering?
See, data engineering is all about to grab the data from different source, different cloud space, right? The data is not always in a single place, right? They can be in different places, so they make different pipelines and different to do the different architecture to grab the data, and they place their all the data at one place, right? This is the work of data engineer, right? Then after that, data analysis work is come in the picture, and they do the cleaning of data, and then they do the analysis, grab the insights, and then they do the visualization, right? To tell that how your data is looking and what is doing in previous, what is the picture of previous, and how it's going to the forward in the future, right? Now, coming the deep learning and machine learning AI, right? They will predict the values, right? Suppose you are giving in data analysis, okay, your future is here, your graph is upward, right? And after 3 years, it's going high only, right? But you don't have any clear numbers, right? What you have in profit or sales, how many sales should be there. So you can, using machine learning and deep learning algorithms, you can predict those values also. Not exact values, but near about. That accuracy
So
can be 90 or 95%.
as a data scientist, do we need to know all these things? Data
Yes.
engineering, data scientist,
No.
and machine
For
learning?
data science, see, data engineer is a different part, right? I will tell you. Data science comes with data analysis and AI ML. machine learning and deep learning, right? Data engineer is different part. We will not cover data engineering in this training, right? Data engineer is completely different. But I'm just giving you the what is the hierarchy of data, how data is coming and how it's going forward. So that is why I told you everything. But we are completing data analysis and data science in this, that machine learning and deep learning. But
Okay.
Sir,
Thanks.
will you provide the notes and assignment?
everything there.
Okay.
Any other doubts?
And sir, recording sessions? If
All the
we
recording
miss
sessions, yes, every recording session is there, and it is for, I think it's for lifetime
okay,
for you.
okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Ankur,
Yes.
a quick question.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm working professional for the some other company, okay,
Okay.
and I'm working on different technology,
Which
and I
technology?
have experience to like I'm Oracle DBA, but I
Okay,
want to
Oracle.
search for the data analyst.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So it's very
so
easy for you.
I want to search. Yeah, like I am aware for that, but I have a question. Like,
Yes.
how will I overlap that my experience with data analyst? Like, I have a live experience for the Oracle DBA,
Okay.
but how will I like overlap with the data analyst because I am an experienced person. You know,
Okay.
like,
See,
so how will I
yeah.
define to myself as a data analyst for the other company?
See, let me tell you, the main requirement of this when you are going to the interview, and the main thing that company is searching for you. You know, no one is going for the manual searching for your CVs. No one is saying manually, right? They have
Yeah,
machines.
yeah.
They are going for the keywords. Like suppose you have data science, when you have written that I have certified with data science, right? Data scientist. So these keywords give your shortlisted your CVs, right? When your CV is coming to them, you're shortlisted, right? Then give for a manual shortlisting, right? So exactly they are getting what they need or not. So then they see that in which area you have the experience, right? So have Oracle DBA, right? So you are very much near to this, right? I'm tell you, can you guess who is getting the highest salary in data science? From which field? From
No,
which field? Can you tell me?
no, no.
Those are the background of stats and maths. Understood?
Okay.
Right? So though IBM students, right? So I am students, sorry, not IBM, I am students. They are doing their MBA in stats, right? They are the highest paid salaried in Airtel. They are earning around. They are when they are placed now, they are getting salary in crores, right? So this is all about your knowledge, right? So that is why I'm telling you, if you have good knowledge. So one thing is that you have to clean, you have to shortlist your CV, right? So CV is shortlisted on the basis of this, right? So you are working, you are not as you are not from not IT field. This is also called, if you are working Oracle DB, this is IT field only, right? So the problem is there if you are not a technical background. Suppose you are not have PCM in your mathematics and everything, and you are from art side, right? Suppose like this background, then it is very difficult to crack because now is there is very high choices, right? With they have right, they have lots of CV. They have to shortlist from
Ankur,
there. Yes.
shortlisting is yeah, shortlisting is okay. But I have a like experience as a Oracle DBA.
How much?
Okay, but 2 years of experience, more than
Okay.
2 years of experience, 2 to
Okay.
3 years of experience.
Okay.
But I have experience I worked on live project on as a Oracle DBA.
Okay.
But when I search for the data analyst, so they will expect for me like I am experienced in data analyst. I have completed 2 to 3 years as a data analyst. So they will expect from me like that, you know.
Yes, but
So
see, why are you searching for the experience job in data science? See, let me tell you. See, there is two options, right? Suppose you have 2-3 experience, right? 2-3 experience in your field, Oracle DBA, and you want to switch in data science, and you are expecting that okay, your experience also should be counted, right? You are not treated as a fresher in data science. So this is the
Yeah.
problem, right? So this can be a problem. Suppose you have a current package of 10 lakhs, right? And you are saying that if I am switching to data science as a fresher, I will get 4 to 5 lakhs, right? So why should I go in that field, right? So this is the main concern of yours, right? So I will tell you, suppose you are in Oracle DB and you are getting 10 lakhs, right? What is the future of your after 10 years, after 3 years? Tell me, what SLEX you are expecting with your company that you
I
if
didn't search for
no,
search
I'm
more.
telling you
I
in your
didn't search more
in
about
your no, you will have some idea that if you are working in same background only in Oracle DB only, and after 3 years you must getting 14 to 15 lakhs, right?
Yeah,
If you have 10
not
lakhs
more
right
than
now,
that.
right? Not more than that. But I am assuring you, you have minimum 18 lakhs if you are currently joined as a fresher in data science. If you are joined as 5 lakhs, you have minimum 18 or 20 lakhs after 3 years. So that is the power of data science. Understood? So you don't see that what you are starting from. I have seen many of my students, they left their job of 20 lakhs. They are one of the person I can tell you, he's very near to me. He regularly called me. He's a package of 20 lakhs in Ericsson, right? He's in networking, but he is a night shift, but he don't want to, he's very much too into that data science and he want to. And I asked him why you are. So he also told me that, yes, sir, I knew that what is the future of data science and how can I can get the future salary because his belongings also getting that much salary. So he joined immediately at 6 lakhs, right? So see what is the gap? He's getting 20 lakhs. He's taking 6 lakhs as a fresher because networking is a different field. He cannot, if you can you make your capable of getting make you expert like 2 years or 3 years experience as a data scientist.
Okay, so it means will we work on live project, not live project, industrial project, right? In this course? Hello? Hello? Ankur, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can hear you. I think maybe Ankur is having an issue.
Okay, okay.
Very sorry, everyone. Actually, due to electricity cut, I was unable. So where we were? Yes. So that is my
Yeah, Ankur,
yes, yes.
Ankur, so last question, like
Yeah.
will we work on industrial project in this course?
Yes.
Like
See,
whatever
industrial, see,
are going
everything
on.
is available on internet, right? See, if anyone is saying that you are going for live project, see, so there is some confusion between the students, right? Yeah, we are getting the live. No live projects is shared with any company. I am assuring you, I am a
No,
data scientist.
not like project. I am just, I mean for
Yeah,
that, like,
industrial
will we
projects
work
will
on
be shared by
industrial
you.
project?
Yeah, yeah, we will work
Yeah.
on industrial projects. Definitely, definitely. Even I was taken an interview and uh, I was hired as a interviewer and I was getting a project that you have to analyze that he has done the right job or not. Suppose like so I have that data also, that BTR model of Australia company. So I have that model. I will work on that also. I will let you help on that also, how the real time projects work, right? And how and all the
Yeah.
datas are all the real time data which are older, that are present in Kaggle also, right? So we can take from there and we can have conversation. There is lots of competition on Kaggle, right? So you can earn money also if you are good in making projects and doing everything, right? So they pay lots of things, right? Lots of money also in that. So these are lots of options, right? So in future, I'm assuring you, if any person is not going for AI or this knowledge that data science related to data science everywhere, right? So he will suffer definitely. So that is why I'm saying do something
Sir,
and learn something. Statistics, yes.
statistics is hard, easy or hard because sir,
I
I
will
am
make you
very
simple.
weak in
Not
math.
hard, not hard. Don't worry. Stat is very easy, right? Probability is easy. So you will learn probability also in that case. So I will make it easy. Don't worry. I'm assuring you, right? So you can connect with the team, and I will connect with my students also. We are having sessions, right? Today we have cancelled because due to this webinar. So you can ask with them also, right? They find very easy everything. So it's very easy. See, everything is on your learning if you're understanding. But I'm asking with you a particular thing that I need your time. I need your punctuality, right? You have to come. You cannot say like this. Okay, today is the first session of stats, and you have taken this session. After this session, we have 2 sessions more, and on those days you have absent, and then I cannot guarantee you, and on the 4th day you will understand this, right? And I cannot kill others times, right, to make you quick revision of all these things. But it is happen that if you want, suppose you have a genuine problem and you are absent on a particular day, and you gone through the recordings also and you are not understood, so uh, it is suggested that you join, because before the timing, suppose the timing of the batch is 7:30, I join usually at 7:20, right? So you can join earlier and you can ask your problems also of the previous day. And I will definitely, and every day before starting the session, I ask every student that if you have any problem regarding previous session, you can ask. We will discuss first that, and then we will move forward with the session, right? Okay. Any doubts? Understood, everyone? Okay. I think there's no doubt. And if you need more information, you can connect with the team, right? Learnomate team. So let's just wind up here. Okay, Harish? Harish, are you there? Harish, Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can wind up.
Hi, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care.
Thank you for your
Thank you.
time.
Oh, my pleasure. My pleasure. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Good night.